A good day to stay out is what we learned from today, but really there was some trade setups that we did give in the live stream today that were actually really big bangers. They actually played it really well. So it goes to show that you can still have, the market open and a plan and execute a plan. We did take a long today and made a bit of money. However, we got out of that really quickly just because of the amount of choppiness in the market. So let's take a look at what happened today, just going through everything and making sure that we do document every single day. Let's go. So there is a bunch to take from this, obviously. We came in and we took a quick scalp, okay? So we took a quick scalp, made, $347, right? So not a bad scalp, right? Not a bad scalp. Nonetheless, we understand that, our trading day really starts off here, and we have been down. So what trades were given, what trades did we take, and how did we really manage our trading today? So as you can see, our trading day really, it started over here, right? So we have this like choppy action moving up here. And you know what? Price is going like this, and we didn't really want to participate in that. We identified that really early, and the trade that we did take, we have to go on a 1 minute time frame here because it was a sweep of the lows to where we were able to actually get in here. So you can see in here, this wick, okay, so this was the wick that we did manage to take the long on here. So we came in here, we were looking for a sweep of the lows below here, okay, and we did not get the sweep within the lows over here, okay, so we didn't get that sweep during the live stream. We definitely got it after, and we were looking for the sweep at these highs and into VWAP, okay, so we were isolating price in here. We took the long from right here. So this was the sweep coming into these lows here. So if we look at these lows here, and let's get rid of everything else and just look at price action here. So we don't really need to talk about the oscillators today because we didn't really use them too much. So we came in and we swept the low in here. This is where I got long. Okay, we took the long and we took the profit right here, literally to the teat. Very, very small, quick trade, 95,000. Yeah, right here. Let me screenshot it. So there is always proof in the pudding. We always want to have proof in the pudding there. Quick 347 coming in here. So that was the scalp. Really could have held it up to the highs here. Okay, so in reflection, in understanding this, that, hey, we could have just, took this thing up to here to the highs. Now, because of the environment, environment's so important. This is choppy. This is not something we want to get involved in unless we get nice structural fluid price action. We want to see structure. We want to see something better than this. I tell you, this is ugly. Okay, so the best thing we did today is not jump into a trade all like excited. Now, VWAP was right above us as well, right? So the trade from up to the high here, hitting VWAP, okay, great. Nonetheless, we were looking for a short from here. So the trade idea was to mitigate this high up in here, meaning sweep it, but not close above it, probably on a 5 to 15 minute time frame, okay? Not breaking that structure. So this trade here, and I know some people in our Discord did take this trade here, which played out insanely well. Let's just say it played out insanely well. So we were looking for this sweep of the highs and that continuation down. Now, did we expect to get a massive 4% dump? No, we didn't. However, that's exactly what happened. Now we did come into a liquidity level and bounce off of that, and it seems like we are in the midst of trying to recover right now. However, if you're on the live stream, you would have been privy to understanding, hey, we're looking for a sweep of the high and a short from here. Shout out to, I believe, Chicken took the trade, so some people did take the trade, and then we were looking for a sweep of the low and a bounce. What did we learn about the bounce here? So we learned that when you're looking for a swing failure and a bounce, okay, so the same thing happened here. So we're on the 1 minute. We're looking for a swing failure and a bounce. We want to take the trade once we recognize there's a bounce. We don't want to take the trade coming into the level. We want to take the trade coming off of the level, okay? So once we've recognized the bounce, and you have, okay, this is the 1 minute time frame. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, I would say 4 candles and a flush through VWAP to really get short here, okay? That's very easy. Stop loss above here. and to get short here and at least target the bottom of the range. Okay, easy scalp trade here, 1% move, easy money. Okay, easy money, and there's almost zero drawdown, right? You're just going straight into the money. So we love trades like that. But what do we learn about the sweep of the low? So we're looking for the mitigation of this low this afternoon, right? And what happens here? Well, price breaks through and literally just continues to fall. Okay, so when it breaks through, so yes, it tease, trapping longs, looking for, oh, we mitigated this low, but we're really looking for this low over here. Okay, pushes back up, gets some hopeful, only to crush their dreams, come back up, retest, and continue downwards. There was no clear push back and close above. Okay, when there's no close above, there is no trade to be taken. Okay, so this trade here would have been valid. This trade here is not valid. Okay, so you need to be able to distinguish between the two, and that's going to be understanding price action. Okay, you want to see the candle push back up above, close above, right? Close some candles up here, and then continue on its merry way here. Stop loss below the low here, and continuation to the upside. Okay, that would be your trade here with this here, and looking to target back up to the highs. Okay, or VWAP or whatever targets you have. But you need to see that confirmation on that trade. If you don't see that, you're probably going to get wrecked. Okay, you're probably going to get wrecked. Now, we did have a trickle down, a bounce out of here. So this was not an easy rest of the trading day. Absolutely wrecking people. So if you do want help and you do want to join us, we're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. trading live, helping you solve these complex markets. It's not an easy job, but it is fun. We would enjoy if you did like and subscribe and join us there. And if you are wanting to take your trading further, come over to the Discord. Links down below. We have an amazing community over there. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is the Trading Journal. Bye.
Come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice?